బర్త్డే టు యూ, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ.
మంగా దానన్న ఎంత చేపు నీకు అక్కడ చూడు తమ్ముడు అయిపోయింది
నీకు నీకే ఓకే.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే మన్విక్.
ఎంత కేక్ తిన మరి. ఎంత అమ్మకు పెట్టిదా, అమ్మకు నువ్వు పెట్టేదా, పట్టుకో అమ్మకు పెట్టు, పట్టు.
అత్తకి పెట్టు చిన్నమ్మక్క, అత్తకి తినిపించు.
16 coming off it and the 150 comes up.
నువ్వు కూడా అంతే టేస్టీ.
Swung away on the onside for 4. This is hot. That's high. It's 6.
చాలా బాగుందా.
That's all that Sir Garfield saw was pavilion there. Swings in the air. This should be taken. Rabana making no mistake. Change of pace.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే మన్విక్.
This one rushing him a little bit, maybe a little bit more in for the bowler. Maybe Rabana's got some safe hands along on boundary. A wicket South Africa.
అత్తకి తినిపించు.
Virat Kohli played a wonderful knock of 76. India 163 and 5.
చూడగా నీ ఫేస్ చూడు.
ఇదే ఇది చాకు తిను.
That's over third man, over the keeper, into the boundary.
కొరకు.
That's in the air, but powerfully struck down the ground by Shivam Dubey.
చల్లగా ఉంది బాబులు.
Swings in the air, taken with a good flat catch. And that's David Miller. He's got safe hands, and he's made it look easy.
174 for 6.
తిను తిను
That's up in the air.
నీతో కాదు నోటితో తిను.
So after 20 overs, India have been restricted to 176 for 7. 177, which means South Africa will have to get 8
టేస్టీ.
runs for over to win.
The experience at the top of the order though, Virat Kohli come at the outcome of the man. He stands tall, played beautifully for his 76. Akshay Patel I thought was outstanding. Superb knock when he was under pressure. His team needed him to stand up. He played well for his 47.
So the target for South Africa when they come out, 177 from their 20.